G'day everyone, Lauren Kress, the business scientist here. So there is now an easier way to add and remove your open to work photo frame on LinkedIn. So this was something that was requested heaps by LinkedIn to do this, to make it easier. So all you need to do now is you just come over to your photo, you press that, and you'll have this little frames option here. If you click on frames, and you can click on open to work, apply, and then it will ask you for your job preferences. So I'm just going to add it and I'll show you how to remove it. So once it's up, all you need to do if you want to remove it is click on the photo, go back to frames, and you can go back to your original. Much, much easier. Now it's going to give you this option to share that you're open to work with recruiters only, and that will remove the frame, or you can remove it completely. There isn't an option to show that you're open to work without having that frame. And I know that is something else that a lot of people are wanting from LinkedIn. So hopefully that will be updated soon also. That's it from me for today. If you want more LinkedIn marketing tips, be sure to subscribe to my channel. You'll also be able to learn how to grow your consulting or coaching business if you're looking for tips on marketing for small businesses. Cheers, guys.